MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is Grady-White's 275 Freedom. This has got to be one of our best-selling boats. We always keep 2 or 3 of these in stock because it is such a great selling boat. I'm going to show you why. This particular one, we've got 2 of these in stock, one with 150s and one with 200s. This one's got the 150s on it. Great performing boat. The one we've got with 200s on it has got the joystick on it, so that's why we've got the one with 200s. You can't get a joystick with these 150s. When you step on board the boat on the starboard side, the first thing that you're going to notice is how overbuilt Grady-White is. You see this super thick door, 2 inches thick back here, not a plastic piece of cutting board like a lot of our competition uses. Huge hinges on there. Freshwater shower, climb out of the water, get the salt water off yourself, get the mud off your feet, climb on board. It's a great fishing boat, but it's a great family boat too. So you've got this ski and tube pull bar on the back of it. But if you're fishing, of course, you don't want that in the way. So it retracts down. A lot of our competitors, they've got something permanently fixed back there, or you've got to have some kind of tool to put it away. Not with Grady-White, super easy to use. This is a great family boat, but it's a fishing boat as well. So you've got gunnel mounted rod holders, 2 on each side. You've got a big fish box right here in the back, insulated. Lots of foam insulation, holds ice really good. This side has got the live well, rounded on the corners and the bottom, no square edges, blue on the interior, keeps your bait calm, keeps your bait alive for the day. You've got a seat back in the back when you're fishing. Of course, you don't want the seat, you want the room. But when you're ready to ride or ready to relax, look how easy the seat pops out, that quick. Goes away just as fast too when you're done with the seat. It folds away. On the starboard side, you've got a wet bar. Look how neat that lifts up right there. Great place to serve some appetizers or drinks, that kind of stuff. You've got some wonderful storage drawers down here. When you get on this boat, feel these drawers. You can tell that this is quality product just by the way that those roll in and out. There's no inexpensive hardware, no inexpensive accessories on the Grady-White. On this wet bar, you've also got the a freshwater faucet right here. You can wash your hands, wash your glasses off. Moving to the port side, we've got a great lounge seat. So I'm not going to do it on the short video, but the base of this lounge seat with a push of a button right up there extends out and turns this into a nice big sun lounger. So this comes out about another 2.5, 3 feet so that you've got a nice sun lounger right there, but you still have a great forward facing seat. Your stereo over here, a place to drop an iPad in there, iPhones, that kind of stuff, with your charger conveniently located right there. Nice big head compartment. I'm 6'3", easily fit inside here. Plenty of room. Got a little mirror down below with some storage behind it. You look at the seating on this Grady-White, you don't see seating that's finer than this. The upholstery on this, the hardware that's on this, just the comfort of it. Come and take a seat in this. Put down, that's called the Fire Rise bolster. Put that down. Flip your armrest into place. This seat goes up and down, it swivels, and it slides back and forth. So you're going to be able to find the comfortable position for you. Your steering wheel as well tilts up and down. The ergonomics on here is perfect. When I'm sitting in this seat, my hands fall right where they're supposed to. Got plenty of room to add a 16-inch multifunction display on the dash. Moving forward, this boat has got the electric anchor windlass on it. And you've got switches up here that you can control your windlass with from up here, which is nice to do so that you can see where your anchor's at. You can move up and down as the boat's moving up on your anchor. If you've never done that before, you'll know how important it is to have these switches at the front of the boat. Plenty of room to stretch out my legs. I'm a pretty tall guy. Plenty of room. Or if you're sitting like this, easily sit 4 people in the front of the boat. This is the Grady-White 275 Freedom. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Call me for a test ride today.